Wow, sweet naman ni ate. Nilalagyan ng kwintas. Necklace mo yan, ate? Silin, mainit. Si Princess! Si Princess! The little Japanese girl! O, diba? Small eyes. Look here, Princess. Yee! Yeah. Ang third na baby ni Mama Joanne. So, si JR. Si Nanay. Nanay, tingin. Uy! Uy, kinikilig. Uy! Yan. What time is it? 10:15. Busy sila manood. Excuse me. Aray. 9 minutes! Oh.